Good morning, good morning, good morning. I hope everyone is doing well. I have already started my day and I've already completed 2 clients' hair. And it was a good experience. It was a good experience. But I wanted to come in and thank you for your support and just for being there for me throughout the year. I thank you for all that you do, showing me love, kindness, and commenting, liking, and sharing my videos. Thank you so much. Thank you. And if you're watching this video right now and you've not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you will know every time I upload a video. Now you know that today I'm going to show you what I've been doing all in a day's work. And right now I already have visitors at my house for one day. They came in early this morning. Don't know if you will see them or not, but we will be sharing today. So you have a great day and keep watching. My 360. I forgot about it. It's easier to do in my styling chair. I'm heading out of the salon for a moment. Have another appointment in about 45 minutes. Oh, girl, guess what? I ended up getting when you turn on the lights, too. So it is really nice. Yeah. This is in front of the church in the hometown, the small town where I grew up. And right now, as I stand here looking at it and doing this video, it's like I'm really looking at the stained glass, and it is just so glorious. Glorious. I'm gonna show you one more house. I don't know what this home has been turned into. It says that it is the Murphy Inn. And I'm not sure because I don't live here anymore. I might look it up and see what they do now. Yeah, it's so pretty. And I'm doing all this for you guys. I couldn't pass this one up. This is my last Christmas decoration scene for the night. Have a good night.